What's up guys? Are you looking for a full tinted windshield for your Polaris RZR Trail S? Well, SuperATV has you covered, and today we're going to show you everything you need to do to get one installed. So let's get right to it. As always, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and remove everything out of your box. We have everything laid out here. As you can see, we already removed the protective film off of our windshield. What you're going to want to do is take this windshield with the protective film on, slide it on the machine, ensure that it fits. Once you remove your protective film, you should be exactly where we're at now. We have our bulb seal laid out here. We have our windshield laying face down with the lip coming up. So this is going to be going towards the inside of the machine. With that being said, we want to make sure that we take our bulb seal and have the bulb portion facing towards the inside of the machine. That way it's going to lay on the cage, on the hood, up in here really nicely. What I like to do is I like to start my bulb seal in the center. So we'll just start right here, and then we're just going to go all the way around this windshield and come right back to this point and then cut off our excess. So now we have our bulb seal all installed. We have our windshield prepped up and ready to go. So now we're just going to grab it. So now we're just going to take it, slide it right up the cage here. It will be kind of a snug fit, so you will have to apply some pressure to get it all the way into position. Working side to side, pulling straight up till we have good contact. So it should look something just like that. Then all we're going to do is get our straps. And I like to take my strap, run it through the windshield, then run it back through the strap here. And once we get a little bit coming through, I like to feed it through the hole as we are pushing strap through the notch in the windshield. Then apply as much pressure as we can. Make sure we're going to get a good strap, and we'll just repeat the same steps for the rest of the straps. So there you have it, guys. That's how super quick and easy it is to install SuperATV's full tinted windshield on this Polaris RZR Trail S. For more information on this windshield or any of SuperATV's great products, feel free to give us a call or check us out online. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.